Hey, today I introduced a recipe that everyone will be addictive. Addictive Egg recipe! It's a dish that became popular in Japan about 1 year ago, but it's the best recipe, so I would like to share it. It's a simple but ultimate dish that only uses eggs. If you haven't tried it yet, definitely make it and try it! So let's make it together! Introduce ingredients: eggs, long green onions, garlic, onion, red chili pepper, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and white sesame seeds. Alright, let's make the addictive egg rice bowl. First, let's get ready to boil the eggs. Warm up some water enough for the eggs to be fully submerged. Once it's boiling, carefully place the eggs in. Be gentle, you don't want them to crack at the bottom. I'm using eggs straight from the fridge. After putting them in, cover with a lid and boil for exactly 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Before it hits 6 minutes and 30 seconds, have some ice water ready. Plunge the boiled egg into the ice water immediately. This prevents the eggs from overcooking and makes them easier to peel. Give them a little stir to cool them down. While the eggs cool, let's prepare the other ingredients. First, finely chop the green onions. There are various ways to do it, so let me show you a few. You can cut along the fiber multiple times lightly, and then vertically for the square cut. Or you can make vertical cuts right from the start for the round pieces, and by cutting from the different directions, you get random shapes. Lastly, there is a snake skin cut. Make diagonal cut along the fibers. Then flip it and cut in the same direction. Finish by cutting the vertical to the fibers. This gives you finely chopped green onions. Try different methods for various looks. Put the chopped green onion into the container with a bit of dips. Next, finely chop the onions. Cut vertically along the fibers. Then make horizontally cuts. Finally, cut from the top vertically to get the 5 mm square pieces. Add these to the same container. Now the flavor booster. Grate the garlic. Grating maximizes the use of garlic aroma, giving an exquisite taste. Add the seasonings. Start with sugar. Then add oyster sauce, 100 ml of soy sauce, and an equal amount of water. Add the chili pepper. If you are not a fan of too much spice, remove the seeds. Cut it finely with scissors. Finally, add white sesame seeds. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Since we are using the only ingredients that are safe to eat as is, there is no need to heat this sauce. Alright, time to crack those eggs. Peel them in the water to prevent the shell from sticking. Look at these soft eggs. Gently pressing them, you can feel their tenderness. This is a proof of the perfect soft-boiled eggs. Now let's add the eggs to the sauce. To ensure they are fully immersed, cover them with the other ingredients. Cover the surface with plastic wrap. Put on the lid and let them soak for at least 4 hours. You can flip them halfway through for the even better taste, but it's not necessary with the wrap. The next day, I soaked them over the 12 hours and had them for breakfast. Now let's check on the eggs. Look at how the color has changed after soaking overnight. It's a sign that the flavor has penetrated. Now let's prepare the rice. 2 cups of the rice are enough. Rinse it lightly without pressing down. Then add water. If the rice is 300 grams, add 400 ml of water. Cook it in the rice cooker. Once done, let it sit for 10 more minutes after a light mix. Put the fresh cooked rice on the plate. Place the egg on top and pour the sauce generously over the egg and rice. Now crack the eggs open. Look at that! A creamy, runny egg! This is definitely going to be delicious! Finish!
So let's いただきます。
This time I paired it with a miso soup with daikon radish and nameko mushrooms. Look at this shiny yolk! Let's eat the rice, sauce, and eggs together. The slightly spiciness complements the eggs perfectly. The addictive flavor of these eggs is undeniable. It's easy to make, so everyone give it a try! Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time!